Is your vehicle's keyless remote broken, missing, or held together with tape? Are you frustrated by how much keyless remotes cost to replace at the car dealer? Help is here. Dorman now saves you time, money, and aggravation by making it easy and affordable for you to replace or repair your keyless remote case with high-quality options that match your original unit's appearance and function. Dorman Help offers you two convenient options. If your remote still works but looks horrible and no longer holds keys without duct tape, keyless remote repair kits are right for you. If your remote has stopped working, even after you've replaced the batteries, or if you've lost your remote completely, replacement remotes will help you save money. Save money by replacing only the cracked or worn outer case and buttons. By moving the internal circuit board and battery over to a new case, you save money by completing this do-it-yourself repair in just a few minutes. Replacement keyless remotes look and function just like your original. In just a few easy steps, you can reprogram your new keyless remote from the comfort of your driver's seat. All it takes is hitting a few buttons on the remote and inside the vehicle, without the need for any special tools. In most instances, reprogramming your new keyless remote is as easy as following just a few easy directions. When complete, your new keyless remote will be linked to your vehicle and function exactly the same as your old remote. To find the keyless remote solution that works for you, visit your local auto parts supplier today.